On an American's calendar, Thanksgiving is often one of the most anticipated holidays throughout the year. The federal holiday is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November and is the prime time when families and friends come together, express gratitude, and share a festive meal. Historically speaking, Thanksgiving started in 1621 when English pilgrims and Native Americans joined together for a harvest feast in the spirit of unity and thankfulness. Today, over 54.6 million people travel through the US during Thanksgiving, whether it's to go back to their hometowns and families or head away from daily life for a cozy Thanksgiving retreat. If you're thinking of traveling this holiday season, let's go together. In this video, we'll take you to these popular places Americans head to for Thanksgiving celebrations and getaways. Santa Barbara, California. Santa Barbara is a popular Thanksgiving travel destination renowned for its idyllic coastal beauty, temperate climate, and laid-back ambience that beckons travelers seeking a tranquil yet festive holiday experience. The city's beautiful coastline and sandy beaches offer the perfect backdrop for a serene Thanksgiving escape. You can take leisurely strolls along the shore, enjoy beachfront picnics, or simply unwind and soak up the coastal views for a change. The peaceful sound of ocean waves is just the cherry on top. Santa Barbara's diverse culinary scene comes alive during Thanksgiving, offering a wide range of dining options for holiday feasting. Many local restaurants and resorts feature impressive Thanksgiving menus that showcase both traditional dishes and innovative interpretations of holiday fare. Or seeking to explore California's fresh and farm-to-table cuisine, Santa Barbara caters to all tastes. Beyond the culinary delights, Santa Barbara hosts various Thanksgiving-themed events and activities, from craft fairs and holiday markets to charitable runs and wine tasting events. There are plenty of opportunities to embrace the holiday spirit and engage with the local community. No matter who you travel with, the locals of Santa Barbara will ensure it's not a lonely holiday season for you. Killington, Vermont. Killington is an enticing Thanksgiving travel destination known for its picturesque landscapes, outdoor adventures, and welcoming atmosphere that captures the essence of a quintessential New England holiday. The best thing you can find at Killington is its world-class ski resort. While the resorts expect the great influx to come by late November, you can head there early during Thanksgiving and enjoy the slopes without a crowd of people dotting the area. Beyond skiing, Killington's natural beauty shines during the Thanksgiving season. The surrounding Green Mountains are blanketed in snow, creating a scenic backdrop for outdoor activities like snowshoeing and winter hiking. The foliage has given way to a winter wonderland, with snow-covered forests and frosty mountain vistas that make for postcard-perfect views. The cozy and rustic atmosphere of Killington adds to its appeal as a Thanksgiving destination. Many accommodations, including charming lodges and bed and breakfasts, provide a warm and inviting setting for guests who don't feel like doing chores during the holidays. Georgetown, Colorado. Tucked neatly in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado, Georgetown's small-town charm and historic timeline make it one of the most famous Thanksgiving destinations in the US. Because it's a quaint town, traveling and living here is fit for those on a budget during the holidays. The town's historic district is a major appeal for visitors, with its well-preserved 19th century architecture, cobblestone streets, and charming storefronts. During Thanksgiving, Georgetown often decorates its streets and shops with festive lights and decorations, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. Strolling through the historic district feels like stepping back in time, making it an ideal setting for a traditional Thanksgiving experience. Georgetown's proximity to the Rocky Mountains provides an array of outdoor activities for Thanksgiving travelers. The surrounding mountains are ideal for hiking, snowshoeing, and cross-country skiing, making up an exciting and outdoorsy Thanksgiving holiday for you. And with Georgetown Lake as frozen as Canadian winter, ice fishing and ice skating are undoubtedly some of the most exciting things that await travelers in Georgetown. New York City, New York. There is never a bad time of the year to be in New York City, but if there was a better time, it would be during the holidays, especially Thanksgiving. At the heart of New York City's Thanksgiving appeal is the legendary Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. This world-renowned event features colossal balloons, vibrant floats, marching bands, and top-tier entertainment, including performances by famous artists. The parade marches through Manhattan, drawing crowds of excited spectators who line the streets to witness the spectacle in person. For many, attending or watching the Macy's parade on television is a cherished Thanksgiving tradition. Another highlight is Central Park, which transforms into a breathtaking tapestry of autumnal colors during Thanksgiving. Visitors can take leisurely strolls along the park's winding paths, rent rowboats on the serene lake, or simply relax amidst the vibrant foliage. The holiday season officially kicks off with the lighting of the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, which typically occurs a few days after Thanksgiving. This iconic event features a massive, beautifully decorated tree and ice skating at the famous Rockefeller Center rink, adding to the festive atmosphere. St. Louis, Missouri. St. Louis is where Midwestern hospitality meets festive celebrations and the stunning natural beauty of the changing weather during Thanksgiving. Nestled along the banks of the Mississippi River, St. Louis is a waterfront city that invites thousands of travelers for its graceful holiday celebrations. Firstly, St. Louis hosts the Thanksgiving Day Parade, a cherished local tradition with loud marching bands, colorful balloon decorations, and even more beautiful floats carried by excited participants. The lively event ends up being one of the biggest community events for locals and travelers alike. The fall foliage in St. Louis is a sight to behold during Thanksgiving, as the leaves on the city's many trees change from green to vibrant shades of red, orange, and gold. The entire region becomes a picturesque landscape of natural beauty. Parks and green spaces, such as Forest Park and Tower Grove Park, come alive with these brilliant autumn colors, creating a dramatic backdrop for leisurely walks and outdoor activities. Even better, St. Louis features some of the most pleasant weather during Thanksgiving. This means that outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, or simply enjoying a cup of hot cider on a park bench are all the more enjoyable in the crisp, refreshing air of the season. St. Louis also offers a range of holiday-themed events and activities, including Christmas light displays at the Missouri Botanical Garden, ice skating in Forest Park, and festive markets that allow visitors to shop for unique holiday gifts. Key West, Florida. Situated at the southernmost tip of the United States, Key West is a hidden gem when it comes to perfect places to spend your Thanksgiving holidays. The coastal city is quaint, quirky, and laid back, an ideal combination of elements when you want to unwind over the long weekend. Key West's unique Thanksgiving celebrations come to a peak during Turkey Trot, where participants dress up in Thanksgiving-themed costumes for a fun run through the city streets. Additionally, the island hosts parades, live music performances, and sunset celebrations, creating a festive atmosphere for Thanksgiving travelers. Key West's diverse culinary scene adds to its charm as a Thanksgiving destination. The island offers an array of dining options, from seafood shacks to upscale restaurants, where you can savor fresh catches and locally inspired cuisine. While many restaurants serve traditional Thanksgiving dinners, you can also explore Key West's distinct flavors, including conch fritters and key lime pie. And when it's time to relax and rejuvenate, there's nothing like heading to the island's stunning beaches. Smathers Beach and Fort Zachary Taylor State Park are ideal if you're looking to swim, snorkel, or simply picnic by the beachfront huts. Chicago, Illinois. Looking to surround yourself with festivities everywhere you go, Chicago might just be where it's at for you, much like the thousands of tourists who head to the Windy City. But what exactly attracts so many Americans to Chicago during the holidays? It's the Thanksgiving Day Parade that snakes through the city every year, attracting almost 500,000 spectators, officially called the McDonald's Thanksgiving Parade. This tradition has been captivating spectators for decades with its colorful floats, giant balloons, marching bands, and celebrity appearances, including Sean Paul and members of the Chicago Bears. Chicago's culinary scene takes center stage during Thanksgiving, offering a variety of dining options to suit every palate. Many restaurants in the city offer special Thanksgiving menus featuring traditional dishes like roast turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie, allowing travelers to indulge in a classic holiday meal. However, the Windy City's diverse food culture also means you can explore international cuisine and innovative interpretations of Thanksgiving fare. The city's picturesque lakefront and parks pave the way for outdoor activities, including scenic walks along Lake Michigan, ice skating in Millennium Park's McCormick Tribune Ice Rink, or simply enjoying the city's striking skyline views against the backdrop of the lake. Lake Placid, New York. Lake Placid is a popular Thanksgiving travel destination known for its picturesque beauty, outdoor recreational opportunities, and cozy, small-town atmosphere. Located in the heart of the Adirondack Mountains, this charming village attracts visitors seeking a traditional and scenic holiday experience. The allure of Lake Placid lies in its stunning natural surroundings. Nestled amid pristine lakes, dense forests, and majestic mountains, the area is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. During Thanksgiving, visitors can take advantage of the Adirondack's serene winter wonderland by engaging in activities such as cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, and ice skating. Nearby, Whiteface Mountain offers downhill skiing and snowboarding, making it a favorite destination for winter sports enthusiasts. The village itself exudes a warm and welcoming ambience during the Thanksgiving season. Many local businesses and restaurants embrace the holiday spirit by decorating their storefronts and offering special Thanksgiving menus. This creates an inviting atmosphere for those looking to dine out on Thanksgiving Day while enjoying hearty seasonal dishes. Lake Placid also hosts various Thanksgiving events and festivities, including turkey trots, parades, and community gatherings, providing a sense of holiday camaraderie for both residents and visitors alike. Orlando, Florida. Known as the theme park capital of the world, Orlando offers a unique Thanksgiving experience, regardless of how old you are and who you're traveling with. From romantic getaways to family-friendly attractions and solo traveling hotspots, Orlando's as inviting as ever during Thanksgiving. One of the primary draws of Orlando during Thanksgiving is its world-renowned theme parks. Attractions such as Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld Orlando offer special Thanksgiving-themed events, parades, and extravagant decorations. Because many families across the US prefer to spend time at home hosting dinner parties, you can even avoid the queues associated with these theme parks and end up having a blast. Aside from the theme parks, Orlando offers a variety of entertainment options. You can catch Broadway-style shows, visit interactive museums, and explore natural reserves and gardens. Orlando's dining scene embraces the Thanksgiving holiday with an array of options. Many restaurants within the theme parks and across the city serve traditional Thanksgiving feasts, allowing visitors to enjoy the classic turkey and stuffing dinner. The pleasant Florida climate is another significant factor that makes Orlando appealing during Thanksgiving. While much of the United States experiences cooler temperatures during the holiday season, Orlando's average weather ranges from a high of 78 degrees Fahrenheit to a low of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. With a warm outlook like Orlando, picnic at one of the city's parks and gardens, bike or hike along the scenic trails winding through the city, or head out for boating, paddleboarding, fishing, and kayaking through Orlando's lakes and waterways. Plymouth, Massachusetts. Let's take you to where the Thanksgiving tradition started in the first place. Nestled in the heart of Massachusetts is the quaint and historic town of Plymouth, where the first Thanksgiving was celebrated in 1621. So, what better place to celebrate the holiday than the very place where it originated from? The town's historical attractions are a primary reason for its popularity. Tourists can visit Plymouth Plantation, a living history museum that offers a glimpse into the daily life of the Pilgrims and Native Americans during the 17th century. Perhaps the most significant symbol of the Pilgrims' arrival in America, Plymouth Rock is also a must-see landmark while you're here. Thanksgiving in Plymouth is a time for special events and commemorations. The town hosts a variety of Thanksgiving-themed activities, including reenactments, parades, and feasts. The Plymouth Thanksgiving Parade is a beloved tradition, featuring marching bands, historical reenactors, and floats that celebrate the holiday's origins. But the heart of Thanksgiving often comes down to traditional hot meals to share with family and friends. If that's what you're looking for, you can enjoy a delicious Thanksgiving meal at one of the many restaurants in Plymouth, some of which offer historic-themed dining experiences. This includes a chance to savor dishes reminiscent of the original Thanksgiving feast, such as roast turkey, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Talk about a real picture-perfect Thanksgiving this time. And this is the end of our video. If you liked traveling to the most popular Thanksgiving havens in the USA, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. That way, we'll book you a passenger seat on our upcoming video travels. In the meantime, check out this cool video right here.